Okay, here's the deal. You and I both know you're not making enough money. You've spent tons of money on the best voiceover gear you can afford, yet you're still stuck earning in the low six figures in your voiceover business. And when you look at what's going on in the voiceover industry and the future of your business, it seems like it's just getting harder. And the truth of the matter is this, you're absolutely correct. It's going to get much harder. The things that this industry is doing to commoditize voice actors, just like you, seems to be the root cause of why you're stuck where you are, not making enough money. I mean, no one seems to have any of the answers. The old role models and the old way of doing things just isn't working anymore because of all the changes that are going on. As a matter of fact, no one seems to have any of the answers because the truth is no one does. Not even the coaches that have been around for decades. They don't even understand what's going on. So they're struggling too. I mean, the business model that we followed for decades back in the day, it's not coming back. This is the new reality. So if all of this sounds familiar, then this is what you can do to change it. I'm going to show you exactly how to operate your business in this new age we're in so that you can get the high-end clients you need and get paid more for what you do. I'm going to show you how to apply all of this in your business. And truly, if you choose to change your life, we can do this. Now, this may sound like, all that get rich crap, all that internet marketing bull crap. We know that doesn't work. It's just not true. What I'm going to show you is the highest level stuff that's out there. And it's things no one else is talking about. And I'm not going to show you like a bunch of bullet points and PowerPoint slides. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this.
Well, what can I say about Earl? What grabbed my attention initially was his energy and his passion, which came across very, very well. I contacted him, I signed up for his program that he had on at the time. I devoured every one of his videos and I have done since. The resources and the tools that Earl puts out for new talent in the voiceover industry, as well as recognised talent in the voiceover industry, is second to none. I've not found anyone who provides the information with the passion and the style of delivery that he does.
I'm not sure exactly how I found Earl. I was looking around for some help with voiceovers, and I found his YouTube videos and started watching them. And I think one of the biggest things for me was actually getting business. I hadn't been able to get any business, and he showed me how to really get into emails. But one of the biggest things I really like about working with Earl is that I had found a lot of other big name coaches and before Earl, and I tried to email them and talk to them, but every time I did, I got replies that they're super busy and they can't email me, and I have to get into one of their courses before they'll actually talk to me.
I want you to remember that when you really wish for something to change, you experience resistance and pain every time. The pain always comes right before the breakthrough. So this might just be the breakthrough that you've been waiting for. And if so, it'd be my honor to help.